Nag-FB. Ha?
Wala pa.
Nagpi-Facebook live ako.
Hindi, wala pa.
Wala pa. Wala.
Pwede mo na ako isa kanila.
Ha?
Pwede mo na ako isa kanila.
Balik ka dito. I-serve ako yun. Very special shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. Happy Easter. We now here at Holy Eucharist Parish Church to attend the Easter Vigil and in the Holy Night. And also later later, I will be attending the Salubong to manage the children of CTM or Children and Teens Ministry. Hello kay Doris Fernandez. Shout out sa iyo, Sister Doris, if you are watching. Nandito ako ngayon sa Holy Eucharist, Sister Doris, to attend the Easter Vigil. As you can see, thousands of people are attended here at the back and in front here. And beside me here, at the back, the crowded people here, right beside at the back beside me. Marami ng tao. Marami ng tao sa loob ng Holy Eucharist Church. Kaya inagahan kong pumunta rito to reserve seats, vacant seats. Then mamaya will be papatayin nila yung mga ilaw dito. Then to start the Mass. So sit back and relax and enjoy, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, Len Pitoy official channel on YouTube. I will post it here. I will post my video here on YouTube. Shout out kay Arman Mandapat. Hello Arman, if you are watching, happy Easter sa'yo. Ganon din sa maestra namin, si Claire Turalba. Nandito siya ngayon. She's here at Holy Eucharist Parish Church. And shout out sa lahat ng mga sisters and brothers dyan sa San Agustin Parish. Ganon din sa lahat ng aking mga followers and supporters. Later, it will be start the Paschal Candle at around exactly 11 at around 8 o'clock it will be start the Mass. As you can see, the choir is here. The choir, and then our very own Claire Turalba, and the other one, the parishioners here in Holy Eucharist, wearing white top dress. There's Joy, Rona Joy Divina, and Claire David, Dorilai, Rudy, and Nix. Binabati ko nga pala yung mga Zumba mates ko dyan nanonood. Bing Reyes, Karina Bulao, Nanette Bautista, Marie Cristiano, Wilma Cristobal, Malu Oliver, Happy Easter Malu, tapos ano pa ba? Greetings from Happy Easter also to all my friends from Robbie Zumba Angels, Annie Honigos, tapos si Wilma Galia. It will be start shortly at around 8 o'clock. It's 7:38 in the evening. Again, good evening to all of you. Tinanggal na lahat ng mga nakatakip na santo.
Atin mo sila dito.
Hmm?
Atin sila dito.
Oo, atin sila ngayon. Hello din nga pala kay Maria Cecilia Lines Lau or Maricel Lau. If you are watching, good evening to you, Maricel, and happy Easter. Happy Easter to all my friends out there. Here's Joy and Pam, and also it's Claire.
Good evening, brothers and sisters in Christ. As we prepare to begin our Easter Vigil, we would like to remind everyone to please be mindful of the candle wax when we light our candles during our celebration. Kindly use your drip guards properly to avoid any accidents or damage to our pews and surroundings. Thank you for your cooperation.
Ayan na, papatayin na yung mga ilaw. It will be start shortly. Salamat sa lahat ng mga supporters and subscribers na nanonood, sumuporta at mga pagkilik sa aking YouTube channel. Kailangan kong suporta ninyo. Again, happy Easter sa iyo, Sister Doris Fernandez, if you are watching. Kaway-kaway sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta ko nanonood ngayon. All over the Philippines and all over the world. Happy Easter din kay Bing Reyes at saka kay Marie Cristiano. Ganon din kay Oyi Kalimag. Ganon din kay hello nga pala din kay Sister Sima. Nanonood siya ngayon. If you are watching. Ganon din kay Sister Bambi Quinto. Binabati ko nga pala siya. Happy Easter, Sister Bambi.